Ẹ káàbọ̀ sí iléeṣẹ́ wa gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá ọdẹ ọdún bí ẹ ṣàlàáfíà làbá gbogbo lé Yorùbá nation ní ọ̀nà àbáyọ o bí wọ́n fẹ́ bí wọ́n kọ̀ Yorùbá nation ló lè ṣe. Lọ́wọ́ yìí bàbá Ọbásanjọ́ ti jáde tán wọ́n ti bínú bàbá ti fárígá wọ́n ti ní àwọn máa bá àwọn Efcc àwọn máa bá wọn kanlẹ̀ látàrí bí àwọn Efcc bí wọ́n ṣe gbéra tí wọ́n wọ òtẹ́ẹ̀lì bàbá Ọbásanjọ́ tán ba gbogbo ẹ̀ jẹ́ tí wọ́n dẹ̀ ba gbogbo ayẹyẹ tó ń lọ ní òtẹ́ẹ̀lì náà ẹ mọ̀ pé gbogbo káràkátà máa ń ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú òtẹ́ẹ̀lì gbogbo ẹ̀ ní àwọn àjọ Efcc tí wọ́n da gbogbo orí ẹ̀ kodò gẹ́gẹ́ bí gbogbo adẹ̀ ti ṣe mọ̀ pé bàbá Ọbásanjọ́ ló ní òtẹ́ẹ̀lì bàbá Ọbásanjọ́ bínú tán bàbá ti jáde pé pé òtẹ́ẹ̀lì táwọn ará bíi tí wọ́n wọ̀ tí wọ́n lọ ṣiṣẹ́ pé iṣẹ́kíṣẹ́ ni wọ́n lọ ṣe o kò sẹ́ni tó rán wọn ní iṣẹ́ tí wọ́n lọ ṣe pé òun dẹ̀ máa bá wọn kanlẹ̀ bàbá ní máa bá ẹ̀yin Efcc máa bá yín kanlẹ̀ ọkàn yín ò ní balẹ̀ na mind no go touch ground. All right my brother my sister no be small something o. Olusegun Obasanjo threatens legal action against Efcc over alleged illegal invasion of OOPL complex. All right, my people, the news in details. The management of the Olusegun Obasanjo Presidential Library (OOPL) in Abeokuta, Ogun State, has demanded apology from the Economic Financial Crimes Commission (EFCC) for what it described as invasion of private property by its operatives. The library equally threatened legal action against the EFCC if it fails to justify the impudent actions of its operatives. OPL, in a statement by the managing director Vitalis Otsese yesterday in Abeokuta, alleged that over 50 operatives of the EFCC had invaded a private event being held within its premises around 2 a.m. on Sunday, shooting guns and then threatening to buy people at the event. Now, the statement disclosed that the operatives of the anti-graft agency WHO stormed the OOPL in a Gestapo style and led by one Olokpade caused serious panic and chaos, leading to serious injuries among participants trying to escape the shootings. It further stated that the melee was near carnage and caused terror among residents on the site. On inquiry by phone, the Olakpade informed the managing director of the OOPL establishment, Mr. Vitalis Otsese, that they were acting on an intelligence tip about a private event in the amusement facility of the complex. They also informed management that the police have been duly informed of the operations. It should be noted that the event was a private event that had been widely advertised to members of the public for days prior. Says, however, said both the police officers stationed at the OOPL gate and the additional police sent from the Kempta police station as requested by the organizers of the event, and the management said that they were not informed of any planned operation for the EFCC. By the EFCC, neither did they prevent any warrant. They never presented any warrant. The statement read further, and then when the armed men were accosted by OPL security and then assistant police officers, they simply retorted. According to the statement, I quote, "We are doing our job." Management wishes to state that this action by the Efcc is a clear case of invasion of private property, infringement of OPL rights as corporate citizens, and then indeed a stark and blatant violation of the rights of the people who gathered for the event. Management has commenced its investigation of the invasion and will take up the matter with the highest authorities, including the Efcc, the police, and the Department of State Security. In the meantime, management demands an explanation of this impudent action from the Commission and then an apology from the Efcc authorities for the infringement of its rights. To all those who gathered and then those who sustained serious injuries from the gangster-like induced chaos, failure for which the management will be compelled to seek redress and then appropriate sanctions. Alright, ẹ̀yin wa bó ti ṣe rí náà ni a ti kà á yẹn. Lọ́wọ́ yìí bàbá Ọbásanjọ́ ti ní pé láyé máa bá yín kanlẹ̀ ni ẹ gbọ́dọ̀ wá tọrọ àforíjì fún nǹkan burúkú tí ẹ dánwò ní hòtẹ́ẹ̀lì wa. Lọ́wọ́ yìí gbogbo ọmọ Yorùbá gbogbo nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ mẹ́wàá ló ń ṣẹlẹ̀ ní junior wọn ẹnì kan òun ló mọ̀. Lọ́wọ́ yìí àfi kí Elédùmarè máa ṣọ́ wa ní ìlú náà ti wá di wípé tó bá ní ẹnu tó bá lówó lápò má jáde o, nítorí pé wọ́n ń kó àwọn èèyàn mọ́ rógà bó ṣe wọ̀n wọ́n báyìí lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ tá a wà yìí wọ́n ń kó àwọn èèyàn ń kó kúkú ìwọ tó bá lọ bìlíìfù pé nàláì láàdán o ìgboro rẹ́rìn bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ìgboro rẹ́rìn Elédùmarè nìkan ló máa ṣọ́ wa. Meanwhile Yorùbá nation ní ọ̀nà àbáyọ. Ìwọ tí o bá ti gbàgbé ra tó ti gan rẹ má ṣe gbàgbé pé Yorùbá nation òun ló lè ṣe bí wọ́n fẹ́ bí wọ́n kọ̀. Yorùbá nation ní ọ̀nà àbáyọ. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa a ò ní rí jù báyìí lọ o lórí eléyìí. A ó máa bẹ̀ o ọ̀bẹ níbẹ̀ ṣó àtẹ́lẹsẹ̀ abẹ̀nàwó ẹni tó bá lá má bọ̀ òun là ní dé bá. Ó dàbọ̀.